What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Thor Crewmate from Among Us. Let's get started by drawing the wing on the left side of the helmet. We're going to start right up here. Start with a curve that goes out and then bend that up, and then we'll add another curve going out and then up towards the tip of the wing. Let's round out the side of the wing and then pull that back up on the inside. Just going to curve this around, down towards the bottom, and then bend that back up. Let's draw the side flap of the helmet. Starting up here, draw a straight line coming down, and then we'll bend that out and up underneath the wing. Now from here we're going to work our way across the bottom edge of the helmet. Starting up here, curve this up, and then bend that down, and we'll curve this up and then out. Now we're going to round out the top of the helmet. Starting back on the left, curve this up, round out the head, and then pull that down in behind the wing. Let's tuck the visor underneath the helmet. Starting on the outside, rounding out the right side of the helmet, and pulling that in. And we'll curve this down and then back up towards the side. Come down, and we'll bend that up. Let's add that shadow across the bottom of the visor. Starting on the top left, come down, round this out, and then pull that back up. Now we can see the tip of the right wing in behind the head. So right up here, curve this up and then in, come down and then in on top of the head. Let's move down and draw the left side of the body. From the outside of the helmet, we're going to step out, curve the body going out, straight down, and then bend that in towards the bottom of the foot. Go underneath the visor on the right side, come straight down, and then bend that in towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, curve the foot coming down and then up. Go to the right side, do the same thing, leaving a gap in between the feet. Let's go to the inside of the left foot, draw a straight line going up toward the body. And then we'll curve the body going out and then up. Go to the inside of the right foot, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Let's separate the top edge of the boot. On the left side, we're going to step up, draw a curve, come down and then up. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now let's move up and draw the top edge of the belt. Starting on the left side of the body, curve this down in the middle, and then back up on the right. Let's step down, draw that same curve to the bottom edge of the belt. Let's go to the center of the belt, draw a straight line coming down, and then we'll move over towards the right and draw the right side of the buckle. Now you want to split the upper body in half. Starting in the center of the visor, come straight down, and then bend that in on top of the buckle. Let's add two circles along the top of the body. On the left side, we're going to tuck this in underneath the helmet. So we're going to start at the bottom, go all the way around, and then tuck that back in. Let's line this up on the right. We're going to draw a half circle, coming in and then out. Let's draw the top edge of the cape. Starting from the top of the circle, curve this up and out, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now to come down towards the side of that circle, curve this up and out toward the top of the body. Let's move down and draw two smaller circles. Starting on the left, come around, and then up, and then line this up on the right. Let's place the backpack on the left side of the body. We're going to start underneath the wing, curve this out and then down, come down towards the bottom of the belt, go out and then up. And we'll connect the top and bottom with a slight curve. Now I'm going to go back and add some detail to the wing. To start from the tip, I'm going to step down. I'm just going to draw that same curve, coming down and in about halfway. Step down, and draw that two more times. We're also going to add a circle along the inside for the hinge. And then we'll move to that center point of the helmet, curve this up and then bend that out. Let's add his cape coming out from the left side. Start from the top of the backpack, curve this out, and then down, and then we'll bend that back out towards the side, curve this down, and then up in behind the leg. Now I'm going to move over towards the right and draw the hand holding the hammer. Let's start from the inside of the wrist, curve up towards the top of the thumb, and then bend that back down, round out the tip of the thumb, and then pull that back up. And we'll curl 3 fingers along the outside. Start from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out, and then in, come down, draw that again. Just going to tuck this one up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. And then we'll layer the handle in behind the fingers. Starting from the bottom, we draw 2 straight lines coming down, close off the bottom with a curve, step up, and draw that same curve. Let's tuck the hand back in underneath the handle. Starting up here, come straight down, and then bend that out. Go to the inside of the thumb, draw the palm, coming down, and then hooking that in. Now we're going to continue that handle above the hand. I'm going to start with the inside line, go straight up, go to the outside, line this up, go up towards the same height, and we'll draw the bottom of the hammer. Stepping in, draw a straight line going out, go up the sides with a straight line, and then we'll close off the top. Let's add that same curve 2 more times along the top. Starting along the bottom, and then once along the top. And then we'll add the bevel on the side of the hammer. From the top, angle down and out. From the bottom, angle out and up. And we'll flatten off the ends. And then one last thing, we're going to add a cuff around the inside of the hand. Let's start from the top, curve in, and then bend that back out. And that's pretty much it. There's our Thor Crewmate from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Check out our Among Us playlist. We're adding new characters every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.